Achalugo, where are my sweet fingers lovers? Because I have brought out the real game changer for you all. Hello, sweet fingers lovers. Welcome to my channel. It's your favorite Gallagher Shabase. I'm a food blogger and I'm a food influencer in Lagos, Nigeria. And on today's episode, I'll be teaching you guys the easiest way to make your jollof rice with the upgraded version. These are the ingredients we need: our rice, our ginger and garlic powder, our nutmeg, cooking oil, our curry, then our thyme, our bay leaves, then seasoning cubes. I'm using 3 seasoning cubes. Then our tomato paste. For this video, I'm using just 3. Then this is our pepper ratio, and you don't want to mess it up. That's our onion, our ginger, tomato, pepper, chili pepper, and the red bell pepper. That's tatashe. Bring out your pot, let's get right into it. So in the pot, you want to add your cooking oil, and then you're just going to add your pepper mix inside. After that, we're just going to add our bay leaves to it, and also we're going to add our thyme. This is our dried thyme. We're going to add it to it. Then our ginger and garlic powder. If you have fresh, that's fine, but I'm using the powdered one. And then we're just going to mix together and make sure it is properly seated inside the pot. So we're just going to cover this and allow it to fry on a medium heat. You don't want to put it on high heat. And by the way, I always talk about not cooking on high heat. Your food is just going to get burnt. So I just allowed this on a medium heat, medium slash low heat, and it took me between 10 to 12 minutes, and this is what we have. So at this stage, it is properly fried. We don't even have any water in it, so we're just going to allow it to cool down, remove our bay leaves, and then blend it. And this is what we have. Just look at our pepper mixture, so perfect. And by the way, you can always use this pepper mixture to grill and it will turn out perfect. So bring out your cooking pan, let's get right into it. Time for us to make our jollof rice. So I just added the little oil remaining from my pepper mixture and then our cooking oil. Then I'm just going to add our grated onion, our bay leaves, ginger and garlic powder, and then we're just going to mix this and allow it to saute. Allow this to sit for just 40 seconds. Then I went in with my tomato paste, and by the way, I used just 3 sachets of this. Then I mix together, make sure it is properly combined together, and I'm just going to allow it to fry. Then I'm just going to add our other ingredient, which is our thyme. The next step is our curry. Mix together. Then our nutmeg. Then time for us to add our pepper mixture. At this stage, you would definitely know there is different because the aroma itself, it's just so fascinating. So I'm just going to mix this together. Then we're just going to add our next ingredient, which is our seasoning cube and also our salt to taste. So I'm just going to allow this to sit because our pepper mixture is already fried, which means it is fully cooked. So you don't want to leave this too much because it's not really fresh at all. So after 5 minutes, this is how it looks like. So I'm just going to add my rice to it, our washed rice to it. Then I'm just going to mix together. And by the way, this is our Nigerian rice. It is not basmati rice. And this rice takes time to get cooked compared to other rice. But doing this and following my method step by step, you're still going to achieve the same result. So I'm just going to add water to it. And by the way, I added hot water to this my rice. So I'm just going to mix together. Then bring out your foil paper and make sure you don't add a lot of water to your rice. So I'm just going to add my foil paper and then I'm just going to cover this and leave it on a low heat for just 45 minutes. After 45 minutes, this is what we have. So I'm just going to stir our rice. Make sure you stir this properly. So I'm just going to add our sliced onion to this. Then we're just going to cover this again and allow it to sit between 10 to 15 minutes on a low heat again. And after that, I'm just going to open and I'm just going to top this with sesame oil. And this is just a game changer for your jollof rice. Then we're just going to mix one last time. At this stage, our rice is ready. All we have to do is just to serve. And this is what we have. So perfect. Just take a look at this beautiful. So I just served my food with grilled chicken. If you want to know how I made this grilled chicken, the video is up on my YouTube channel. So let me know, my sweet fingers lovers, what you think about this recipe. Are you going to recreate this recipe? Do not forget to watch our other videos. Do not forget to like, comment, subscribe. Thank you so much for watching my videos, and I'll be seeing you in the next. Bye.